Today, modern corporate IT groups are charged with covering many areas, such as cloud, mobile and work from home, and bring your own device issues securely and professionally. Corporate IT also has to counter the increasing threat to IT systems from security vulnerabilities, primarily through fast and targeted software updates. What sounds simple in concept is often far less straightforward in reality, because the modern working environments of newsrooms, marketing organizations, consulting, and advertising agencies, team members increasingly work from home and on the road. Instead of time-consuming manual distribution, updates to the client-side software can also be carried out with a type of automated distribution solution, particularly for workstations directly integrated and managed by the company IT, a first step in trying to cap expenses. This option doesn't apply to freelancers, as the corporate IT department usually doesn't have direct access to the freelancer's computer. If the freelancer then works for a company on behalf of a third party, the time and coordination costs continue to escalate for everyone involved. For K4 customers, vjoon has now solved this problem. K4 clients for Adobe InCopy and InDesign can now easily obtain and install their K4 software updates automatically via the K4 server. This ensures that all team members, whether internal or external, can work with the latest vjoon K4 software at short notice. Security gaps can be closed quickly and new features rolled out fast. Quite easy, at the push of a button and within a few seconds. Usually, I'll want to log into K4 here in InDesign. Even before I can enter my credentials, I get a message from the system that a new version of the K4 plugins are now available and can be installed. This ensures that I don't have to continue working with outdated software. I start the installation and the update proceeds automatically. Within a few seconds, the K4 client is updated and I can simply continue working with the latest K4 software version in InDesign. So, K4 Updater helps you achieve breathtaking improvements in IT administration. It saves both time and effort and also ensures security in the IT environment because corporate IT can quickly provide and roll out security and/or feature-relevant updates for the K4 clients in Adobe InDesign and InCopy via the K4 server. The individual workstations can be updated at the push of a button by the user. Internal and external employees can continue working directly with the current K4 version, and the admin can be sure that up-to-date software is used for working with K4. Would you like to know more? Visit vjoon.com.